Welcome to Marrakech, the heart and soul of Morocco. This enchanting city, with its labyrinthine medinas, aromatic spices, and breathtaking architecture, is a haven for travelers seeking a blend of culture, history, and adventure. Today, we'll explore the best things to do in Marrakech. So, buckle up and let's dive into this magical city. First stop, Jemaa el-Fnaa, the bustling square at the heart of Marrakech. By day, it's a lively scene filled with street performers, snake charmers, and traditional water sellers. The energy here is palpable, with a constant hum of activity and vibrant colors everywhere you look. As the sun sets, Jemaa el-Fnaa transforms. The square becomes a culinary paradise, with food stalls offering an array of Moroccan delicacies. From sizzling kebabs to steaming bowls of harira, the choices are endless. Try the snail soup if you're feeling adventurous, or stick to classic couscous and tagine. The flavors are rich, aromatic, and truly unforgettable. Just a short walk from Jemaa el-Fnaa is the Koutoubia Mosque, the largest mosque in Marrakech. Its stunning minaret, standing at 77 meters, is an iconic landmark of the city. While non-Muslims cannot enter the mosque, the surrounding gardens are open to everyone. They offer a peaceful retreat with beautifully manicured lawns and fragrant flowers, perfect for a leisurely stroll. Next, let's head to the Bahia Palace, a masterpiece of Moroccan architecture. Built in the late 19th century, this palace was intended to be the greatest palace of its time. Marvel at the exquisite tilework, carved cedar ceilings, and lush gardens. Each room tells a story of the lavish lifestyle of the Moroccan elite during that era. The serene courtyards and cool, shaded halls provide a welcome escape from the bustling city outside. Not far from the Bahia Palace are the Saadian Tombs, dating back to the time of Sultan Ahmad al-Mansur in the late 16th century. These tombs were only rediscovered in 1917, and are now one of Marrakech's must-see historical sites. The intricate stucco work, Italian marble, and beautifully landscaped gardens make this a fascinating place to visit. For a burst of color and tranquility, visit the Majorelle Garden. Originally created by French artist Jacques Majorelle in the 1920s, and later restored by fashion designers Yves Saint Laurent and Pierre Berge, this garden is a stunning oasis in the heart of the city. The cobalt blue buildings, exotic plants, and serene water features make it a photographer's paradise. Don't forget to visit the Berber Museum within the garden, which showcases the rich culture and history of Morocco's indigenous Berber people. For a deeper dive into Moroccan art and history, head to the Marrakech Museum. Housed in the Dar Menabi Palace, this museum offers a fascinating collection of traditional and contemporary art. The building itself is a work of art. With its central courtyard, beautiful tile work, and intricate carvings. The exhibits range from ancient pottery to modern paintings, offering a comprehensive overview of Morocco's artistic heritage. Another architectural gem is the Badi Palace, built in the late 16th century by Sultan Ahmad al-Mansur. It was once considered one of the most magnificent palaces in the world. Today it lies in ruins, but its grandeur can still be felt. Wander through the vast courtyards, admire the remnants of its once lavish decor, and visit the rooftop terrace for stunning views of the city and the Atlas Mountains. Step back in time at the Ben Youssef Madrasa, one of the largest theological colleges in North Africa. Founded in the 14th century and later rebuilt in the 16th century, it's a stunning example of Islamic architecture. The intricate tilework, carved wood, and serene courtyard make it a must visit. Imagine the lives of the students who once studied here, surrounded by such beauty. No trip to Marrakech would be complete without exploring the Souks. These labyrinthine markets are a feast for the senses, offering everything from spices and textiles to ceramics and jewelry. Haggling is part of the fun, so don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether you're looking for a unique souvenir or just want to soak up the atmosphere, the souks are a vibrant and essential part of the Marrakech experience. After all that exploring, treat yourself to a traditional Moroccan hammam. This centuries-old bathing ritual involves steam baths, exfoliating scrubs, and soothing massages, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. There are many hammams to choose from, ranging from local, authentic experiences to luxurious spa-like retreats. Whichever you choose, it's a perfect way to relax and unwind. If you have time, a day trip to the Atlas Mountains is highly recommended. Just a short drive from Marrakech, the mountains offer breathtaking scenery, traditional Berber villages, and opportunities for hiking and adventure. Enjoy the fresh mountain air, visit a local village, and experience the traditional way of life. It's a wonderful contrast to the hustle and bustle of Marrakech. For a taste of the desert, take a camel ride in the palm grove just outside Marrakech. It's a unique experience that gives you a glimpse into the nomadic lifestyle of the Berbers. As you sway gently on your camel, you'll pass through a landscape dotted with palm trees and traditional mud brick houses. It's a serene and unforgettable experience. Escape the city heat at Jardin Majorelle, a beautiful garden located at the edge of Marrakech. With its olive groves and large reflective pool, it's a peaceful spot to relax and enjoy nature. The garden dates back to the 12th century and offers stunning views of the Atlas Mountains. It's a perfect place for a leisurely walk or a quiet moment of reflection.